This is Dave Pellegrinelli at AFX Title. You may have reached this video through our website titlesearch.com or also mineralrights.com. I'm going to talk again about mineral rights searching. One of the things that's important to recognize about mineral rights is those property rights may exist in a separate chain of title from the surface rights. For example, a title search on 123 Main Street may show a party owning the property, but the mineral rights may have been transferred out from that chain of ownership many years prior. We find mineral rights transfers going back as far as 100 years plus in some cases. The way that a mineral rights search is done is a full title search on the surface rights is performed going back in history through a certain period of time, 20, 40, 50, 60 years, depending upon what the needs of the client are. And then once a break in that chain where the mineral rights split off is located, then a separate chain of title is run back forward from that chain to determine who is the last person standing on that mineral rights chain. So it's really at least two title searches. One to go from the current owner of the surface rights back to where mineral rights are discovered, and then back forward to determine where that split ends up on the mineral rights. It's important also on mineral rights searches to determine if there are other rights for pooling agreements. For example, a property next door may have mineral rights sold off that include pooling of the subject property. Once a mineral rights transfer is discovered, then we look to see if there are any transfers of easements or ingress and egress for access to the property. For example, a petroleum company may have rights to put equipment on the subject property to drill wells or to pump petroleum or to take minerals away from the property using roads. Mineral rights, as we described, are normally not on the deed to a property. It's normally a separate document, and there may be multiple legal descriptions for the mineral rights, either to condense other properties or to specify only a part of the subject property. So first we need to break that out and then look for that. Chaining it back is the first step, and then forward, which is one of the reasons why mineral rights are normally done by expert and advanced title searchers and title abstractors. If you have questions about mineral rights or how to run the search, feel free to contact us anytime. You can reach us at our website, titlesearch.com, or also mineralrightssearch.com.